On behalf of Expert Village, this is Dina Catrone of Tall Order in New York City. And today we're going to be showing you how to make a quick and easy Thai dinner. So you'll see we're going to put this to the side, and then we're going to then put our vegetables into it for our salad. So I'm going to actually check on my beans to see how they're doing. We just wanted, like I said before, we wanted to take some of the rawness out of them, so let's see how we're doing. Ooh. Yeah, they're actually okay. They're good. They still have crisp. They're still crispy, but they don't. I don't really have that much. We'll put them back over here. So they'll be ready to go into the salad. We're actually going to cut them when they cool off. I'll cut them up. Okay, next element is our cucumber. So you can really just slice it any way you want, but I like to make it into thin slices.